In this guide, we are going over all of the brand new working codes here in the Forge in the latest update. Before we do get into any of these codes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, a few things to note. There is a few codes to go over in this video, but on top of that, these codes are very, very case sensitive. You're going to want to make sure you're typing them exactly as shown on screen. Capital letters do matter, so make sure you're typing them in right. If you do get an error the first time, I definitely recommend deleting all of it and trying typing it in one more time from scratch just to see if it is a user error. A lot of the errors that I've been seeing have just been people spelling things wrong. That being said, to actually put in these codes, what you're going to want to do is select this settings gear up in the top right and scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you're going to see a code section on here. The first code, and you can just go ahead and select this to type it in, it's going to be Forge 2M for 2 million. Go ahead and hit claim, and you'll go ahead and get yourself, a totem and some rerolls. The next code is going to be sorry for bugs, all caps, spelled exactly like that. Go ahead and hit claim. I've already redeemed this one personally, but that'll get you some easy rewards as well. However, that's not it yet. We have even more. The next code is going to be Xmas, exclamation mark, spelled exactly like that. Go ahead and hit claim. And once again, I've actually already redeemed this one just to make sure that it worked for y'all. But that's a pretty good one as well. And as of right now, those are the only 3 working codes here in the Forge on Roblox. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.